Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods, these brilliant ingredients that I absolutely love cooking with. These foods are not only packed with nutrients, but also offer incredible health benefits. We're going to explore 13 of my all-time favorite superfoods, learn about why they're so good for you, and I'll even share some simple and delicious ways you can add them to your meals. So if you're ready to give your body the best, stick around. First up, we've got the king of the sea, salmon. This beautiful oily fish is bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and even improve brain function. Now, I love grilling a salmon fillet with a squeeze of lemon and some fresh herbs. You get this amazing crispy skin, and the flesh just flakes off the bone, but you can also bake it, pan fry it, or even add it to salads and pasta dishes. Next, we're heading to the land of leafy greens with the mighty kale. This nutritional powerhouse is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that can help fight inflammation in the body. I love massaging kale with a little olive oil and lemon juice to make a simple salad, but you can also add it to smoothies, soups, or even bake it into crispy chips. Now let's talk about legumes, the rock stars of the plant-based world. These little guys, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are packed with fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. Fiber helps regulate digestion, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and can even help lower cholesterol levels. I love using chickpeas to make hummus, throwing lentils into soups and stews, or tossing black beans into a colorful salad. Let's crack open the goodness of eggs, shall we? Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for building and repairing tissues. They're also incredibly versatile. You can scramble them, fry them, poach them, bake them. The possibilities are endless. I love a good frittata packed with veggies for a quick and easy dinner. Next up is the creamy, dreamy avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy, monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also a good source of fiber and potassium. I love smashing avocado on toast, adding it to salads, or using it to make a delicious guacamole. Let's talk about berries, the jewels of the fruit world. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. I love adding berries to my breakfast yogurt, blending them into smoothies, or baking them into muffins for a healthy treat. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, walnuts are rich in omega-3s, and Brazil nuts are loaded with selenium. I love snacking on a handful of mixed nuts, adding them to trail mixes or incorporating them into baked goods for a little crunch. Garlic, oh garlic, how we love your pungent aroma and incredible health benefits. This little bulb is a natural immune booster thanks to a compound called allicin. Garlic has been shown to help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and even fight off infections. I love adding garlic to just about everything, from pasta sauces and stir-fries to soups and stews. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can actually be good for you. It's packed with antioxidants and has been linked to improved heart health, brain function, and even mood. Now, when I say dark chocolate, I mean the good stuff, at least 70% cocoa. Enjoy a square or two after dinner or add it to smoothies for a decadent treat. Potatoes often get a bad rap, but these starchy tubers are actually quite nutritious. They're a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. The key is to cook them in a healthy way, baked, roasted, or mashed with a little olive oil rather than deep fried. I love making a big batch of roasted potatoes with rosemary and garlic. It's a simple and satisfying side dish. Now, I know what you're thinking, liver, but hear me out. Animal liver, particularly beef liver, is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's packed with vitamins A, B12, iron, and copper. It might not be the most appealing food, but it's worth incorporating into your diet occasionally. You can try adding a small amount to ground meat dishes or blending it into smoothies. Shellfish, like oysters, mussels and clams, are packed with zinc, a mineral that plays a crucial role in immune function, wound healing and cell growth. They're also a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. I love making a big pot of mussels steamed with white wine, garlic and herbs. It's a delicious and impressive dish. Last but not least, we're diving into the world of seaweed. Seaweed, like nori, kelp and wakame, is a fantastic source of iodine, a mineral that's essential for thyroid function. It's also low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals. I love adding nori sheets to sushi rolls, tossing wakame into salads, or snacking on dried seaweed snacks. So there you have it, 13 incredible superfoods that can truly transform your health. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Start by incorporating one or two of these superfoods into your diet and see how you feel. You can experiment with different recipes and find what you enjoy most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more healthy eating tips.